Okay guys, still talking about puppies. Hope everybody's okay with that. But, you know, we don't want to have a puppy on a leash with us 24 hours a day, right? Because sometimes they need a little bit of time to just play and relax, but not be unsupervised. We don't want to have them in a crate, you know, where they can't use their legs and, you know, be a little bit more free. So this is the X-Pen lesson. If you don't know what an X-Pen is, this is it. This is an X-Pen. You can also get a plastic version that you can get at a pet store or a Babies R Us. But I like to have a nice little pen where I can have a wee-wee pad, so if they have to pee, they can. If I ever see them pee on a wee-wee pad, or I prefer newspaper, because newspaper, they're less likely to chew it or swallow it. When they're getting more and more TV, they will chew more things, and I don't like them chewing on wee-wee pads. So if they start chewing on the wee-wee pad, trying to chew it and swallow it, I will remove it and do newspapers. But the second the newspaper or the wee-wee pad is wet with urine or stool, we will take it away right away so they don't learn to kind of sit in it, right? You can see this little one here is actually laying down on the wee-wee pad because it's the most comfortable area right now. However, when I was having towels in here, they were peeing on the towels, and I don't want them doing that. So that's why I can't use towels right now. The X-Pen, again, allows puppies to play, move their little limbs, get up and down, have a little more freedom, but not so much freedom that we're wandering around in the house getting into trouble. Okay, so having an X-Pen in a kitchen or a place that doesn't have any rugs, a place that if they do have an accident that we can clean it up is really, really a good thing. So that's why you should do that. All right. One more thing that you need when you get a new dog or a new puppy. What do we need so far? We've covered collars, harnesses, appropriate leashes. We've covered toys that they can't swallow, that are not dangerous, that encourages chewing. Fabric toys are fine initially when they have weak little immature teeth and they haven't learned how to really pull stuffing out. But the second they start to pull stuffing, chew on things like that, that can become dangerous, those things need to go away, and we need other things that they like to chew on, like a bully stick, like a rope toy, okay? We discussed that in the last little video series, okay? And we'll go from there. I'm taking each one of these little puppies out independently, doing some leash training independently. I'm wearing them out here with some playtime. This may look like these puppies are being too aggressive or too rough, right? And sometimes I might interrupt and redirect. If I had a little rope toy, I'd drop it in right now. But puppies can be a little rough with each other. This is how they learn good body language. This is how they learn bite inhibition. What we don't want, and I repeat, and I'm saying this on every video, I hope you guys are getting it, what we don't want is a loose puppy in the house, teething, unsupervised, uninterrupted with adult dogs. That's what we don't want. That's not going to teach this puppy good body language. That's not going to teach this puppy bite inhibition. It's going to teach a puppy to actually be rude and be aggressive with other dogs, and other dogs, and a bad habit that we can take on into our adulthood, which we don't want. What else is this X-Pen providing us besides the comfort of watching these puppies play or watching your own puppy play? It's providing us the ability to actually not have to have this puppy on a leash or in a crate, okay? It's also providing us the ability to feel comfortable, to not be so nervous that my puppy's going to be eating something we shouldn't. It also allows this puppy to not get into the habit of wandering away and somebody always coming. And the most important thing is we don't want these puppies to fail, right? You guys remember on the other videos, if the puppy pees or poops or chews on something like an electrical cord or a sock or underwear and you are not present, that is a complete failure on your end, not the puppy's end. Puppies are going to have pee accidents. They're going to have poop accidents. They're going to have chewing accidents. They're babies. Of course they are. But unsupervised accidents is your failure, not their failure. This is what delays training, potty training, teething. This is what doesn't help them with impulse control. So you guys know 9 to 19 weeks of age is the most important time to do these things. We're talking a lot about puppies, but all these same rules apply to adult dogs. A new dog in a new home, you don't know if they're potty trained or not. You don't know if somebody spent this time, so if they're going to chew towels or not. And then you're going to have to make appropriate adjustments. So these rules apply to puppies. They apply to any adult dog, any new dog. The first 2 to 4 weeks of a new dog in a new home is what we call the honeymoon period. So yes, use a collar, use a leash. Keep them with you. Teach them impulse control. And if they are an adult dog who is trained properly, they will earn the right to be free and unattended, but they've got to earn that right, and you will figure it out, okay? Some dogs can have that freedom within 1 to 2 weeks. Most will need 2 to 4 weeks, but don't allow puppies to fail. Use that new opportunity of a new puppy in a new home to succeed. Give that puppy the best chance of staying in your forever home. All right, hope you like this video. Belle Mead Animal Hospital, www.bmvet.com. Again, Animal Alliance of Belle Mead, New Jersey. They are overrun right now, saving animals. They've got about 165 dogs over there right now. A whole bunch of puppies too. If you are responsible and you can be trusted and you're willing to sign something saying so, that you will not, that you will foster a dog, that'd be great. Animal Alliance of Belle Mead, New Jersey. Go to our website, click on the link, put an application to be a foster. These are the things that we should be doing during this quarantine, right? Helping pets, they need your time. We've all got a little extra time on our hands. Let's use it positively. Hope you like this video.